Next, let us say that you have to draw the graph of 1 by 1 plus e power 1 by x. So first, if you want to draw the graph of this, first look at this function carefully. So you have a 1 by x part and 1 by some function. Have a reciprocal part and a reciprocal function. So first you can go to this systematically. So first, you know the graph of y is equal to 1 by x. You know the graph of y is equal to 1 by x. So the graph of y equal to 1 by x looks like this, right? This is the graph of y equal to 1 by x. Now if you want to draw the graph of y is equal to e power 1 by x, this is a composite function. So you are raising the values of y to e. So e power this 1 by x. So now as x goes to 0, 1 by x goes to infinity. As x goes to 0 plus 1 by x goes to infinity. So y is equal to e power infinity goes to infinity. And the value of 1 by x slowly decreases. So e power 1 by x also slowly decreases. As x tends to infinity, 1 by x goes to 0. So e power 1 by x goes to 1 asymptotically. As x tends to infinity, the value goes to 1, right? So it doesn't really matter what the shape is. So if start from infinity and go to 1, asymptotically you get this graph. Now what happens on the negative side? So as x tends to 0 minus, 1 by x goes to minus infinity. 1 by x goes to minus infinity. So e power minus infinity tends to 0. So it starts from 0. Hollow dot. Because exactly at x is equal to 0, function is not defined. And as x tends to minus infinity, as x tends to minus infinity, 1 by minus infinity is 0. So e power 0 is 1. So y is going to 1 as x tends to minus infinity. So this is the graph of y is equal to e power 1 by x. Now you have to add 1 to this. Let us go to y is equal to 1 plus e power 1 by x. So this is same as y minus 1 is equal to e power 1 by x. So you know the graph of this. Now in the place of y you got y minus 1. That means we have seen that the graph moves upward by 1 unit. So if you draw the graph of y is equal to 1 plus 1 by e power x, graph moves by 1 unit. So each and every point moves by 1 unit. So this 1 asymptote now goes to asymptote at 2. Right? So this part moves up, but the shape remains same. The curve is like this. So this hollow dot also moves up. And this is the graph of y is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus e power 1 by x. Now I want to take the reciprocal of this. Y is equal to 1 by 1 plus e power 1 by x. Now how does the graph look like? So now as x tends to 0 plus, this term goes to infinity. So 1 by this term goes to 0, right? So 1 by infinity goes to 0. Next, this term is going to 2 asymptotically. So if you take 1 by 2, so if you take 1 by, so this goes to 1 by 2. So now you have the line y is equal to half. So this goes to 0, this goes to 1 by 2. From the lower side, because this is greater than 2, 1 by this is less than 1 by 2. So asymptotically it goes to 1 by 2. Next, and 0 minus, as x tends to 0 minus, this is 1. So if you do 1 by 1, again that is equal to 1. So you have a hollow dot here. This is 1. So 1 by 1 is also equal to 1. Here it is 2. 1 by 2 is, so 1 by 2. So it goes to 1 by 2 asymptotically. Because 1 plus e power x goes to 2. So 1 by 1 plus e power 1 by x goes to 1 by 2. So this part of the graph is below 2. This is slightly less than 2. So if you take 1 by, that will be slightly greater than 1 by 2. That means this approaches from the top, this approaches from the bottom. So this is how the graph of y is equal to 1 by 1 plus e power 1 by x look like. So you can systematically go from one function to another function.